Welcome to part 3 of this Who Am I series, my most recent body transformation. This is Dr. Fox from the Fox Power Basement. In part 3 I shall give you a quick and short overview of my 3-stage body transformation. In further videos I will go deeper in how exactly I did it, what diet I used, how I evolved from one to another way of eating, the workouts I did and do, the supplements and tactics I used. In the end, that's what this channel is all about, so stay tuned. The last picture of part 2 in this series showed me in 2014 at 86 kg and over 20% body fat. Funny enough, I still thought of myself as being muscular. Otherwise, I would not have been posing on that picture like that. And in a way, I still was. But with way too much subcutaneous fat covering it. You could then call me swole. My body transformation started in May 2015, when my wife started to count her calories using the MyFitnessPal application and encouraged me to do so as well. At first I remained eating the same food I was used to, but becoming aware of the calorie content of everything I put in my mouth, I soon started to eat less and less, and I was actually surprised how quickly the weight went down, from 86 kg to almost 65 kg by November 2015. Of course, people started to notice, and by the end of 2015 I was very ripped, and then maintained like that for over a year and a half till May 2017. A lot of people were giving me remarks I had become too lean, that I did not look good, and even patients that hadn't seen me in a while asked my secretary if I was sick. Some of them didn't even recognize me, and looking at my face on these pics, it is understandable why. Since I became so ripped, my muscular definition was of course very visible, and that is what motivated me to start working out in my Fox Power Basement again on a regular basis, 3 times a week, consistently since January 2016. So I went from swole, being stage 1, to ripped, being stage 2. Because ultimately I always wanted to have an aesthetic physique, being as muscular as I could be, in May 2017 I decided it was time to go working out harder, eating in a slight calorie surplus and building some extra muscle. In the fitness world we call it bulking. But instead of the limitless dirty bulk I did when I was younger, I went on a lean bulk, very strictly monitoring my energy expenditure, my calorie and my protein intake, which I still do up to this day. Again, I was surprised how eager my body was to put on some lean muscle again. From July 2017 to November 2017, I felt like I was making newbie gains all over again. I put on 8 to 9 kilo of muscle, inevitably with some fat, which makes my face look much better. So I went from swole, being stage 1, to ripped, being stage 2, to jacked, being stage 3. At the age of 43, I finally got the jacked body I wanted when I was much younger. By the end of 2017, I weighed 80 kilos, and since the beginning of 2018, I started to eat on maintenance again, before going into a slight calorie deficit for the next few months to strip off some fat again. In these last few pics you can clearly compare the 3 stages of my body transformation. In further videos I will go deeper in how exactly I did it, what diet I used, how I evolved from one way to another way of eating, the workouts I did and do, the supplements and tactics I used. In the end, that's what this channel is all about. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.